What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is David Benjamin from Wellstar Reviews and Healthy Wild Free. Today I'm reviewing the Bioptimizers MassZymes supplement. Now, this is their digestive enzyme formula, and this is actually the first product that I ever took from Bioptimizers. And I will say, even though I've taken their sleep formula, their magnesium formula, and their other products as well, this is still my favorite formula from Bioptimizers. And the reason for it is very simple. I feel that this formula does more for my body than any of their other products. It's really their flagship product. And what I like about it is that it's specifically formulated to break down really many things. And I'll break down the formula a bit for you here in a minute. But what I like about it is the formula is basically favored in the direction of breaking down protein more than anything. So if you're looking to build muscle and utilize protein more efficiently, which is very important because as we age, our protein, fat, and calcium metabolism are three of the most important things that keep us young and youthful. And if our protein or fat or calcium metabolism diminishes, what occurs is we look older, we age faster, our muscle mass decreases, our bone mass decreases, our energy levels decrease, we have bloating and gut issues, digestive issues, and so many other issues. So the efficacy and efficiency of our digestive system in extracting nutrients and excreting waste is in a large part dictated by the digestive aids that we have. The acids, the enzymes, the fiber, and the hydration, and things like that, which create this effect in our gut that allows us to get the nutrients that we need and excrete the rest as waste. And that's exactly what Mass Enzymes from Bioptimizers does. So enzymes are actually proteins that work to break down specific types of macronutrients. So there are enzymes that break down protein, there are enzymes that break down fat, there are even enzymes that break down specific plant compounds and pigments. There are many different proteins and many different enzymes. And many different enzymes go to work on many different ways in many different proteins, many different fats, and many different other things in the body. So if you want to build more muscle mass, or at least maintain your muscle mass, keep your hair, your skin, and your nails healthy, keep your bone mass healthy, and really just have more comfort within your digestive system, less bloating, less inflammation, and more digestive ease, then Bioptimizers Mass Enzymes might be a product for you. So let me go through the formula and break it down a bit for you so that you can understand why they formulated this way and why it's so effective, and why when I take Mass Enzymes from Bioptimizers, I actually feel the enzymes working. You can think of enzymes as little Pac-Men that eat away at your protein, fat, fiber, anything in your gut that essentially should not be there. Should be there, but it's coagulating. It's there too long. It needs to be basically disposed of or metabolized or processed. So that's what enzymes do. So this formula has the highest amount of protease and bromelain, which protease is the protein digestion enzyme. And then bromelain, which is the enzyme that's in pineapple, is really great for digesting protein as well. So the highest amount of in the formula is these protease and bromelain enzymes. It also has fungal amylase, glucosamase, lactase. Lactase helps to break down dairy, so we're talking like milk, cheese, yogurt, sour cream, things like that. Fungal lipase for yeast, lipase in general, phytase, pectinase. Now, pectinase is interesting, by the way, I'm reading higher to lower. Pectinase actually breaks down, believe it or not, pectin from fruits and vegetables, which is typically in the skin of fruits and vegetables. So it even helps with that. Cellulase and beta-glucanase, which is the lowest amount, but beta-glucanase helps to break down beta-glucans, which beta-glucans are immune-boosting aids. And if you're not familiar with beta-glucans, they're in like oats and mushrooms and many different things. It's an immune-boosting aid. So the enzymes in this formula help to break that down and make it more available to your body. But what I really like about this formula more than anything is if you're looking to utilize enzymes, like I said, for muscle mass, physical physique, right? Being cut, lean, toned, having muscle mass. The protease levels and the bromelain levels in here are the highest. So the MassZymes enzyme is really the best enzyme formula for breaking down and utilizing protein effectively by the body so that you can build muscle. So that's what I like about it. When I take it, like I said, I feel it in my gut. I feel like little Pac-Man are just eating away things in my gut. Additionally, I should really give you a warning with this product because there's really not a lot of health supplements and products that I take where I feel, wow, this is really working and really, I can actually feel the effects of it very directly. There's very few things, and I could actually create a video on this, so maybe I'll put at the end of this video the list of those supplements that I really feel an impact with, because I take so many things and I eat healthy and organic and all this kind of stuff that nothing really moves the needle too much, right? However, with MassZymes, I do feel that. But here's the warning. Your body produces enzymes internally. So your liver produces enzymes, your pancreas produces enzymes, your body's producing enzymes constantly. And just like melatonin, which is produced by your gut and your pineal gland, your body is meant to produce enzymes. So with a product like this that is effective and is available, readily available, it's not something I would recommend taking every single day all the time. And the reason for that is because your body is supposed to produce these enzymes and you need those enzymes to be produced by your body internally, endogenously. So if you're taking endogenous, meaning external enzymes, which is what MassZymes is, your body can develop a tendency to be reliant upon these enzymes, and the internal endogenous enzyme production can be reduced or diminished, which is not an ideal scenario because then you could be weakening your digestive system in the long run. So personally, what I do is I take digestive enzymes intermittently. So if I'm having digestive issues or I just feel like I need some support, they're nice to have on hand. And I'll take them, once or twice a week, right? Maybe, or if I go out to eat. Like if I'm going out to eat, I'm taking digestive enzymes, activated charcoal, and radiate 21. Those three things, right? So it's nice to have that digestive enzymes on hand because if you do eat things that maybe aren't so great for you or you notice your gut doesn't feel so great, like for me, I don't do super well with dairy. So I do consume dairy, but that's where the digestive MassZymes enzymes come in from BiOptimizers, is when I do have dairy, I can break it down quicker, convert that dairy into protein, those enzymes go to work, and I can rebuild that dairy into protein that builds my muscle as opposed to causing me bloating and inflammation in my gut. So it's a very simple solution and it does work very well. And honestly, if you are on a journey where you're looking to burn fat and feed muscle, enzymes do help to accelerate your metabolism and speed things up. So I do recommend these, and I do think they're a very effective product, like I said, but I wouldn't take them every single day. It's not something you want to be too reliant upon, but they do work very well. So BiOptimizers MassZymes, it's a top-notch product. Like I said, I believe personally, it is the best product from BiOptimizers. It is their flagship product. It is the most effective. The way they formulated it, it's top-notch. There's the only other ingredients are rice flour and an organic rice fiber, which these are like binding agents essentially. So it's completely pure enzymes and it works very well. So I do recommend it. I'll put the link below along with a discount code so you can get, I think it's like 10% off. So check out the link in the comment section pinned below. Additionally, if you want to get discounts on more than 20 different health and wellness brands, visit healthywildfree.com/shop. And I created a list of products and brands that I have personally vetted. Many of them have discount codes, free shipping, special offers, and many other deals. And these are top-notch, high-quality health and wellness brands for brain health, cardiovascular health, gut health, sleep health, fitness products. We're talking vibration plates, rebounders, barefoot minimalist shoes, red lights, hydrogen water bottles, and so much more. So if you want to discover a bunch of cool products from high-quality brands that are organic and biodynamic and wildcrafted and so much more, check out that link below in the comment section pinned. And make sure to subscribe to the channel here on Wellstar Reviews. I'm going to be doing a lot more reviews on health and wellness products, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.